Over 7,000 marketing agencies attest that AgencyAnalytics is their client reporting platform of choice. Instantly connect all your client data from various marketing platforms in one place. Create customizable dashboards and automated reports your clients love, plus so much more. All right, let's dive in a little deeper. Log in and instantly access your clients' active campaigns and key performance goals, all in one hub. Easily organize and group your clients. The dashboard area delivers a real-time, high-level view of progress, tasks, and KPIs, keeping your agency on track without jumping between platforms. Onboard clients in seconds. Connect their data instantly with over 80 integrations, including Google Analytics 4, Facebook ads, SEO tools, and more, eliminating manual data pulls forever. Setting up your integrations is as simple as heading to the growing list of integrations, selecting your platform, and following the prompts. No complicated steps required. In a matter of a few minutes, you have all of your key integrations up and running. Hundreds of clients? No problem with the bulk operations feature. With that all set up, it's time to get your dashboards going. Easily build sleek, customized dashboards that highlight key KPIs and campaign metrics, whether it's PPC, SEO, or e-commerce. Create separate dashboards for different teams or clients, ensuring they see only the insights that matter. Build and edit your dashboards in seconds. No coding or design experience required. Choose from 4 intuitive options. Start from scratch with a blank dashboard. Use a smart section that automatically builds out a dashboard. Use a template, including dozens that are pre-built by AgencyAnalytics. Or clone an existing dashboard. For example, starting from a social media dashboard template gives you comprehensive social media analytics in seconds. Refine and customize your dashboards with the channels, metrics, and style perfect for your client and team needs. Adding metrics? It's as easy as dragging and dropping the metric into the report. Customize everything: design, layout, and even add custom metrics and goals. It's that simple to get your dashboard ready to share with your clients. Need a fresh client report? Choose from Smart Reports, templates, clone an existing report, or build one from scratch. Smart Reports instantly populate with top-used metrics from over 7,000 agencies, saving hours of manual setup. The best part? Editing client reports is effortless. Easily add sections like new channels, blank sections, or even import a dashboard as a new section. Just drag and drop the metrics and insights your client needs to know about. This includes adding in insights and updates like goals and custom metrics. Here's a pro tip. Turn dashboards into client reports instantly. Convert existing dashboard views, customize sections, and add key insights, ready to share in just a few clicks. Customize your visuals as white label reports with your agency's branding, custom logos, colors, and even a custom domain for a fully branded client experience. Whether it's your dashboards or a comprehensive monthly marketing client report, take the design and customization a step further by making client report cover pages your own. Change the branding to match your client's brand just as easily. AgencyAnalytics is more than a client reporting solution. Meet Ask AI, your agency's data co-pilot. Ask AI turns raw data into instant, actionable strategies, spot trends, get AI-driven recommendations, and generate client-ready insights in seconds. Looking for a deep dive on your Google Ads dashboard? Or for next step strategy advice? Ask AI has your back. Make your report building a dream with AI Summary. Generate client-ready report summaries instantly, then simply edit for tone, style, and content, saving hours of manual work. Ever wonder how your campaigns or client data stack up against industry averages? Compare your client performance with industry trends with benchmarks. Take it a step further and share these insights directly with your clients in a dashboard or report. Looking to predict future campaign outcomes? Forecasting leverages predictive insights to plan for future trends, enabling proactive strategy development and better decision-making with optimistic and pessimistic outcome ranges. And act on real-time alerts due to unexpected data shifts with anomaly detection. Never be a step behind again. All of these powerful insights are at your disposal, helping your agency stay agile and proactive. And there you have it, a walkthrough of the AgencyAnalytics client reporting platform. There's so much more than what we covered today, from custom metrics to report building, alerts, and data aggregation. Start your free trial today and set up client dashboards and reports in no time. And start reporting smarter, not harder.